In this video, I'll show you how to create a smooth text fade in and fade out animation using DaVinci Resolve. This is a simple trick that works great for clean title reveals and transitions. Let's jump in. First, head to the effects panel and search for adjustment clip. Drag it onto a track above your text clip in the timeline. Now, right-click the adjustment clip and choose Open in Fusion Page. This will allow us to animate the fade using a mask. Inside the Fusion page, tap anywhere in the node area, then press Shift and Space to open the Select Tool window. Search for Rectangle and add it. Connect the rectangle node to the blue mask input of the Media In node. With the rectangle selected, go to the inspector. Set the soft edge to around 0.1, just enough to smooth the edges a bit. Next, adjust the center X position until the mask completely hides the text by shifting it to the left. Once it's fully hidden, click the keyframe icon next to the center control to set your first animation keyframe. Now, move your playhead forward a couple seconds. Then, drag the center X value back to the middle so the text becomes fully visible. This creates the fade in animation. To make it fade out, move the playhead ahead another seconds. Click the keyframe icon. Move the playhead ahead another seconds again, then shift the center X again so the text disappears to the right. That's it! You now have a clean fade in and fade out animation for your text using a simple mask on an adjustment clip. This method keeps your text layer untouched and works great with any kind of title or overlay.